Hi friends, I'm Barbie, and today I want to speak directly to Vose, because greatness isn't a gift, it's a choice, a series of decisions, and a relentless commitment to your dreams. You weren't made to blend in. You were made to shine, to sparkle, and to stand out in every room you enter. Greatness begins with clarity. Define exactly what it means to you. Your vision is your blueprint. Every day, imagine your life as a magnificent Barbie mansion. Each choice is a brick. Each habit is a decoration. Each action is a room furnished with intention. Momentum compounds quietly. Small steps taken daily lead to unstoppable outcomes. Obstacles are glittery accessories on your journey, not permanent barriers. Learn, pivot, and shine. Your mindset is your outfit. Wear confidence, courage, and clarity every day. Fear is a signal of growth. Step into it anyway. Persistence is your engine. Consistency is your fuel. Visualization plus action equals reality. See it, plan it, execute it, repeat. Celebrate every small when they're the glitter that fuels motivation. Comparison steals sparkle. Focus on your unique path. Daily routines matter. Plan your mindset like you plan your wardrobe. Execution beats inspiration. Momentum beats luck. Action beats waiting. Discipline is the glue that holds your dream house together. Without it, even the most beautiful walls crumble. Energy introduces you before words. Surround yourself with people and environments that elevate you. Failures are teachers, not punishments. Learn, pivot, shine. Ambition is your crown. Wear it boldly, proudly, unapologetically. Every no is a stepping stone to the right yes. Small habits compound into monumental outcomes. Time is your most precious accessory. Wear it wisely. Momentum is invisible at first, but undeniable over time. Show up daily. Your future self is counting on Vose. Impress her. SMART goals are your roadmap. They define your steps, measure your progress, and keep you aligned with your vision. Visualization plus execution equals unstoppable momentum. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Progress builds confidence. Confidence builds action. Action builds results. Obstacles will appear. Treat them like glittery decorations, not roadblocks. Persistence compounds quietly but powerfully. Keep moving. Don't pause for permission. Energy attracts opportunity. Surround yourself with people and environments that elevate you. Failures are lessons, not life sentences. Pivot, adapt, shine. Momentum is the invisible force that transforms dreams into reality. Daily action creates unstoppable momentum. Even small wins matter. Your mindset is your outfit. Choose confidence, clarity, and courage every day. Fear signals growth. Step into it anyway. Comparison steals sparkle. Focus on your unique path. Daily alignment with your goals keeps Vose on track. Review, recommit, execute. Ambition is your crown. Wear it proudly every day. Your choices are the bricks in your dream house. Build it beautifully. Execution transforms vision into reality. Dreaming alone is decoration. Small wins matter. Folding one tiny dress today builds the organized closet of tomorrow. Obstacles are accessories, not permanent barriers. Pivot, adapt, shine. Motivation is created, not found. Fuel it daily with deliberate actions. Celebrate milestones, they fuel confidence, motivation, and progress. Persistence is your secret weapon. It multiplies effort and compounds results. Action comes before inspiration. Show up even when motivation wanes. Daily habits build unstoppable results. Momentum is your best friend. Your ambition is your crown. Wear it boldly. Energy is contagious. Surround yourself with positivity. SMART goals guide your steps. They act as your blueprint. Fear is a signal you are growing. Step forward anyway. Comparison steals sparkle. Focus on your unique journey. Failures are teachers. Obstacles are opportunities. Learn, pivot, shine. Momentum compounds quietly but powerfully. Show up every day. Visualization plus action equals reality. See it, plan it, execute it, repeat. Celebrate small wins, they're the glitter that fuels motivation. Your mindset is your outfit. Confidence, clarity, courage, wear them daily. Ambition is your crown. Wear it without apology. Time is a precious accessory. Invest it in things that matter most. Obstacles are glittery accessories on your journey. Learn, adapt, shine. Momentum is invisible before it becomes undeniable. Trust it. Persistence compounds quietly but powerfully. Daily action builds unstoppable results. Failures are lessons, not punishments. Pivot, adjust, shine. Execution transforms vision into reality. Dreaming alone is decoration. Small steps matter. Folding one tiny dress today builds the organized closet of tomorrow. Your future self is watching. Make her proud. Energy introduces voce before words. Choose vibrant, focused energy every day. Daily routines matter. Plan your mindset like you plan your wardrobe. Fear is growth. Step into it anyway. Comparison steals sparkle. Focus on your unique path. Ambition is your crown. Wear it proudly. Momentum compounds like glitter across your runway of life. Discipline multiplies talent. Consistency multiplies results. Celebrate milestones, they fuel confidence, motivation, and progress. Barbie's formula is simple clarity, focus, action, consistency, persistence. Daily action builds unstoppable momentum. Even small wins matter. Every no is a step closer to the right yes. Momentum is invisible before it's undeniable. Keep showing up. Time is precious. Use it on what matters most. Your dream house, career, and life are waiting. Motivation is your engine. You as the driver. Visualization plus execution equals reality. See it, plan it, execute it, repeat. Obstacles are accessories, not roadblocks. Pivot, adapt, shine. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Progress compounds into results. Your mindset is your outfit. Wear confidence, clarity, and courage every day. Failures are feedback, not punishment. Learn, pivot, shine. Momentum compounds quietly but powerfully. Show up daily. Energy attracts opportunity. Surround yourself with positivity. Daily alignment with your goals keeps voce on track. Review, recommit, execute. Ambition is your crown. Wear it boldly. Persistence is the engine that moves your life forward. Discipline multiplies talent. Consistency multiplies results. Your future self is counting on voce. Impress her. Small habits compound into monumental outcomes. Momentum is invisible before it becomes undeniable. Keep showing up. Every choice is a brick in your dream house. Build it beautifully. Momentum transforms vision into reality. Show up, act, persist. Your ambition is your crown. Wear it proudly.